Here's a new 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.